One of my favorite features is this front LCD screen with live preview. It allows you to see yourself while recording, which is crucial for vlogging. When you're vlogging, knowing what's happening in your surroundings is essential. With a smartphone back camera, you can't see yourself at all, which can be challenging in certain situations. The best thing of GoPro 12 Black is when your GoPro 12 Black is powered off and you wanted to record something urgently, so you just need to press this recording button like this, and boom, your recording has been started already. This is amazing, so you don't need to worry about losing your battery power, and when you want it to turn off, you just press it again and it's powering off. Wow, cool. Here we have the microphone on the GoPro 12 Black, and the audio quality recorded directly from the camera is surprisingly good. Additionally, you can connect wireless external microphones via Bluetooth, including your AirPods if you prefer. What's even cooler is that you can use voice commands through your AirPods to control your GoPro remotely. I bought the GoPro 12 because I previously owned a GoPro 7 and it had been quite a while since I upgraded my GoPro. I thought, why not upgrade now? I know many of my friends suggest using a phone is enough for vlogging, but I strongly disagree. A phone cannot do what GoPro can do. For instance, you can mount the GoPro on your bike or car to capture fantastic moments while riding. Not all the phones are water resistant, but the GoPro can film up to 10 meters without a protective housing and up to 60 meters with a protective housing. It's perfect for your action-packed adventures. I personally love going hiking with my friends, and the GoPro is perfect for capturing those incredible hiking moments. So the first impression, the packaging of course. This GoPro 12 Black is from China, but the packaging is as same as they sell in the global market. So we have got in the box the mounting buckle, a curved adhesive mount, perfect for helmets, the USB Type-C cable for all your charging and data transfer needs, and of course the battery. They have even thrown in a thumb screw to rescue everything in place. Let's take a closer look at the GoPro Hero 12 Black's design. Right away, the robust and compact design stands out. The body material feels premium than ever. On the side here, we have got the USB-C charging port and the micro SD card slot, neatly covered to ensure water and dust resistance. The Hero 10 and GoPro 12 Black both use the Enduro battery, which contributes to longer runtime due to improved thermals. Compared to the Hero 10, the battery life is significantly better. I have never done, but I'm doing it only for a GoPro review. Let's see. Yay! So my drone flew with this GoPro 12 Black and it brought it back. Let's do a voice quality test without the external microphone for the GoPro Hero 12 Black. So currently I am walking and I hope this GoPro 12 Black is picking up my voice well despite the wind around me. It's very windy around here, and now I'm running. So this is the quality result you can expect from the GoPro 12 Black. Now I have connected my wireless earphone with this GoPro 12 Black, and now I'm walking, and I really hope that this wireless earphone can picking my voice very clearly, because it's windy here. It's always windy, and now I'm running. This is the voice quality you can achieve from GoPro 12 Black. Now it's time to put the GoPro 12 Black stability to the test. The GoPro 12 offers hyper smooth technology, which I don't fully understand, but it certainly sounds very smooth. Now let's take this test on higher level. I'm running at high speed. I think I should start my workout soon, because as I'm catching my breath. So should you consider upgrading to the GoPro 12 Black? Well, it depends your current GoPro model and your needs. If you have a GoPro 7 or 8, as I have been using GoPro 7, I'm thinking that upgrading could be worth it, because given that improvements in battery life and camera enhancement, I think it's good for me. Please share your thoughts about GoPro 12 Black in the comment below, and consider to drop a like and subscribe for more tech content. So we will see you in the next video. Stay connected and stay curious. Bye bye.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.